The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S21 is not having a Verizon Prepaid. It's available in 4 colors. You guys will have Phantom White, Phantom Pink, Phantom Violet, and Phantom Gray to choose from. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's available now for $799.99. No contracts, alright? So yeah. So this is the Galaxy S21. That's what has your 0.25 basic camera, power bank his video on the left side of the phone, triple red camera system on the back with the LED flash, and your Samsung logo on the back. This is the front of the phone now. There's the right side of the phone, power and volume keys. The back of the phone guys like your cameras, camera flash, Samsung logo. The camera does stick out just a bit down the back, but it's not really terrible. You know, there's the back, back again, front. So yeah. So the Galaxy S21 5G has 11 days standby time, 24.89 hours usage time, 64 megapixel main camera in the back, 2.8 inches in width, 5.97 inches in height. There. So yeah. So it says here introducing the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, the ultimate self-expression smartphone with 5G ultra wideband speeds. Level up your photos and videos with the multi-lens camera featuring 30 times vision, a 64 megapixel high resolution camera, and head turning 8K video. Cinema quality features like vlogger view lets you simultaneously record on the front and back camera, and director's view helps you adjust angles in real time like a pro. All your favorite content comes to life on the 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2 times 120Hz display that makes scrolling feel faster and smoother while being easy on the eyes. And with a sleek, hyper-fast processing and a battery that won't quit before you do, you can create, connect, and do more of what you love. Experience all the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G has to offer on Verizon. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. So, for the filmmaker, record all the life moments in super smooth 8K video. Turn your room into a movie studio. Let the city be your backdrop with similar quality features and 24 frames per second video capture. Use the vlogger view to shoot videos using the front and back camera simultaneously. Switch angles as you go with the director's cut, with the director's view, and enable Tech AI to create share-worthy gifs, movies, and more. A camera so good, everyone will pro. Capture and share detailed portraits, stunning landscapes, and crisp close-up With the easily used camera system equipped with a 64 megapixel high resolution camera, ultra wide 12 megapixel camera, and front facing 10 megapixel camera, and with 30 times spatial engine lock, you can magnify the details of Elven object or capturing distance or capturing long distance shots while keeping your subject centered and focused. Plus, Cinematic AI transfer common restrictions of photo and video editing so you can capture all of life's moments in one single take. All-day power. With an all-day intelligent battery, you can share, stream, and more without missing a beat. The 4,000 mAh smart battery powers up to more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes and adapts to your usage habits and conserves energy so you can enjoy peak performance all day and night. All the speed of life. Transform how you share, live stream, edit, and multitask with hyper-fast processor speeds. Faster processing and graphic rendering gives you a supercomputer in the palm of your hand. Share all your memories without slowing down, and you can keep all of this high-quality photos and videos with tons of storage ranging from 128 gig to 56 gig. 5G speeds. Share, watch, and play in the flash to experience ultra-fast speeds and ultra-low latency on Verizon's 5G broadband. Stream HD content, very low buffering, game with minimal lag, and get more done faster. A display to meet high standards. The 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display offers a brighter, richer, and smoother viewing experience. Level up your game with an adaptive 120Hz display that makes scrolling feel faster than ever. That makes scrolling feel faster than before. Intelligent blue light sensors naturally adapt to help minimize eye strain and discomfort so you can watch and play for longer. Warning may cause phone envy. Designed with an all-new seamless metal camera, modern magnet finishes, and an ultra tough glass, the Galaxy S21 5G is The Galaxy S21 5G is a head turner. Choose the color that fits your vibe for a smartphone that looks as good as it performs. So the specs on the Galaxy S21, of course, this is a flagship phone. So you guys have a world device which you can use in like 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. 11 is the standby time, 24.89 hours of usage time. 64 megapixel main camera on the back, 10 megapixel front facing camera. The Galaxy S21 5G weighs 6.3 ounces with its 2.8 inches height, 5.97 inches, and depth 0.31 inches. Screen size is a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus. That's 1080 by 2400. Dynamic AMOLED 421 ppi, 4,000 mAh battery, and 11 with One UI 3.0, 128 or 256 gigabytes of RAM, 128 or 256 gigabytes of RAM, and 8 gigabytes of RAM. You have hearing aid, global network, 4G, 5G, Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor, Voice assistant, you have Samsung Bixby and Google Assistant. It also has AC voice, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling. You make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. And if you guys didn't have much of a Verizon phone, Verizon has a camera with that with device support, so this is the right tool to have if you guys didn't have much of a Verizon phone. Such as Verizon Wireless support that helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S21 5G prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, data cable, Type-C to Type-C, quick reference map, and time transition, so nothing really special. So there is no charging brick, so if you guys have a charging backup, really use that to charge your phone. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. It's not here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $7.99.99 no contracts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's when I unlock, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.